Few months is making cuts to federal programs. Well, one could be impacting the salmon population right here in the Pacific Northwest.
The one thing that's certain about a presidential budget is nothing is certain. And over the last couple of years, the U.S. Army Corps of Engineers have been seeing less money for projects along the Columbia River.
The Columbia River fish mitigation allocation is an important source for salmon-related projects in the basin, but funding isn't consistent across all years.
Since 2024, they've been seeing a huge drop in funds.
So just for the Columbia River Basin, fiscal year 2024, we received $24 million, and for 2025, we received $16 million.
And next year, it's expected to be even less, down to $12 million. One of the big projects the U.S. Army Corps of Engineers works on is at Bonneville Dam studying salmon.
Money that we're specifically talking about that goes towards construction and different studies for salmon related passage and survivability.
Tom Conning with the U.S. Army Corps of Engineers says he'll have to be creative with some of the organizations he works with.
So we work with National Marine Fisheries, NOAA, BPA. There's a bunch of federal agencies we work with in the region.
In order to be able to keep up with a budget that seems to be shrinking every year.
We're not necessarily concerned with any particular programs right now because the 2026 is just a proposal right now, so we don't know what that funding is going to actually look like.
Along the Columbia River, Joe Ranieri, KGW News.